name is Dr. Nikkiah Forbes. I am an infectious diseases physician. I also am the director of the National HIV/AIDS and Infectious Diseases Program at the Bahamas Ministry of Health and a clinical tutor at the local medical school. That's the University of the West Indies School of Clinical Medicine and Research. We're continuing to have a large number of infections in country and active infections. And we know that we have to balance health, but there are many other things that are impacted, such as the economy and socialization. We also have to fight these changing strains of COVID-19, including the Delta strain. And these mutant strains of COVID-19, they're really concerning because they can make people sicker. They're easily spread. They can impact way more persons with COVID-19. And they're very, very infectious as the chickenpox, which is highly infectious. Now, what can we do to protect ourselves and our loved ones? Well, one of the things that we have to do is get vaccinated. These vaccines are safe. The benefit outweighs the risk. They have been studied in clinical trials, and they're very effective to protect against COVID-19. And so I encourage everyone to get to know the facts on these COVID-19 vaccines. Ask your local healthcare provider. There are reputable places you can go to get the facts on COVID-19, like the Centers for Disease Control, the CDC, the WHO website, the Ministry of Health, and the Office of the Prime Minister's website also have reputable information on those vaccines. We all have to think about ways to reduce our risk for getting COVID-19 because COVID-19 is not going away for a little while. So these are some of the things that we can do to protect ourselves and to reduce the chance of having outbreaks of COVID-19 at work and in country, because those can definitely spread larger. So be safe, everyone. We look forward to having more persons immunized, and hopefully we'll be in a better position as it relates to hospitalizations and deaths and bad outcomes with COVID-19 in country, and see these numbers settle down. And I'm hopeful that that will happen. So wishing you all the best of health and safety. And this is Dr. Nikkiah Forbes, and thank you for inviting me to Tourism Today.